concatenate strings. So concatenation, you know that to the end of one string, the other string will be added up or joined. That's why it is called as concatenation. And here we will take 3 strings, and the first 2 strings, that is taken as first name and the middle name, and we are going to join them by writing a logic by ourselves. And the third string will be joined to that concatenated. First and second is already joined. To that concatenated string, we are joining the third one, but that is using built-in function. So here we are writing a logic for concatenation as well as we are using built-in function. See, for example, the first string is Malnad, the second string is college of, third string is, the last string is engineering. So first we will do the concatenation of first and the middle. So Malnad college of we will get. To that Malnad college of, we will be joining the engineering using built-in function. So finally we will get Malnad college of engineering. Now we will write the program for this. So we have 3 strings, F name, M name, L name. So F name is first string, second string and third string, M name and L name. First name, middle name and last name. So first name is having size 100, the second one is 20, the third one is 20. Why the first one is bigger is because after concatenation, the string will be very lengthier, so that's why we should take care of that. The size of the first string is, that is a final concatenated string, that's why the size is made bigger. Now I and J are required for the loop, so we have used that. Then CLR, SCR, clear screen function. Then we are reading all the 3 strings, F name, get as F name, get as M name, get as L name. First name, middle name, last name. All the 3 strings we are reading using get as. And after reading, now we will do the concatenation of the first name and the middle name. So we should go to the end of the first string. We should go to the end of the first name. In order to go to the end of first name, so what we did is, a highlighted thing, you observe that there is a semicolon in that loop. So usually we do not put a semicolon for a loop, but here we have used explicitly a semicolon for that loop. That indicates there is no body of the loop. There is no body of the loop. So that's why, so here simply I gets incremented. I is 0, then F name of I, F name of 0 is not equal to null, it moves on. So finally we will get a I value. Okay, so it comes when null character is reached, then it comes out, the loop comes out, and in that, during that time, the value of I indicates the position of the null character. That means we will get the end of the first string, that is the first name. So now we will get the end, but we don't, the end usually we will have a null character, that we are going to replace it with the space. That's why F name of I at this position is the last character of the first name. Now that is replaced with, last character is null. So now that is replaced with space now. After replacing it with space, now we are joining the middle name to that. So that is, we are using one more for loop for doing it. See, J is 0, M name of J not equal to null, J plus plus, till the end of the second, that is second string, that is the M name. Keep adding the characters of the second string or the middle name to the end of the first string. So see, F name of I indicates the end of the first string. I plus J plus 1. J is initially 0. So I plus 1 means first name, then there is a space, then the second string starts. So for that purpose, F name I plus J plus 1. I is indicating end of string, first string, F name, and after that we have I, there is a space, and after that the second string should start, or the M name should start. That's why I plus J plus 1, then the second string first character will be added. Next again it is incremented because of J gets incremented, so we'll go to the next character. So second character of the second string will be added. So like this we are concatenating the second string at the end of the first string. So after that we want to have a space. Instead of null there, we want to have a space, so we will include the space. So after the first name there is a space, and after joining second name also we want to have a space. For that purpose we have used F name of I plus J plus 1 is equal to space. So we have first name and the middle name are concatenated. Now it is available in F name, and finally at the end we want to have a space, so that is used, and finally we will insert the null character. And now we are using a built-in function called as strcat. So for again doing the same operation, that is concatenation. Now F name means in the F name we have both F name and middle name already concatenated. Now to that end we are including the last name L name. So it is F name comma L name, very simple built-in function we are using. And finally if you print F name, we will get all the three strings get concatenated. So finally we are using the putters for printing it. Now let us compile the program. No errors, let us run the program. So enter your first name, Malnad, college of. Second string or the middle name is college of. So the last name, that is engineering. Now you can see the output, Malnad College of Engineering. Actually, Malnad is F name, first name, College of is middle name. So actually what we did is, after Malnad, we have left a space, then we have added College of, then we have left a space, then actually that is concatenated with engineering. So we got the complete concatenation.